Welcome to our website. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how easy it is to install the weinor BiConnect box. The BiConnect box connects your weinor products with an included BiConnect control unit and the BiConnect app. For installation, you need the BiConnect box and the accessories supplied, a smartphone with the BiConnect app, and a router. If you have not yet installed the free BiConnect app, you can download it now from your usual app store. Simply scan the QR code on the packaging, then start the BiConnect app. It will guide you step by step to your destination. Connect the BiConnect box to a socket using the mains connection cable. Select Start on the home screen, press plus and select New Bridge to register the device in the network. Scan the QR code on the back of the device. When the app prompts you to do so, enter the login details of your network from your router. Press plus, New Device, to teach in additional devices. The installation of the BiConnect box is complete, and you can conveniently control your weinor products and start using them in your smart home. Do you still have questions? Find out more on our website.